Wow. This iPhone XR, also known as an iPhone XR, came in last week and has gone a little bit viral, and people have requested part 2. As you can see, it's gotten a little bit worse, and now the screen is lifting up almost completely. Definitely not done by a 5-year-old just picking up the screen. As a matter of fact, it's so bad that the backside is cracked and fractured. So what's causing this? Let's go ahead and open. All right, let's go ahead and open it like a mystery. And let's check to see if that fixed the problem. And now that it's fixed, let's go ahead and clean up the front of the screen a little bit, and also the back side, so this way when the customer picks it up, she'll have a nice, beautiful iPhone XR that doesn't have that bulging dilemma anymore. Well, once again, guys, thanks for joining. 1, 2, 3, Phone Doctor. Please like, comment, and share if you'd like to see more details about how to fix problems like this if this ever happens to your phone.